Hey guys, the video game brawlers CPS here. Today I'm going to unboxing of Bakugan Battle Brawlers Silent Naga 3D print job. All right, there we go. I just got at Westall Library with Alice and Wendy, and on Tuesday, on last Sunday, I got this one. It's cool. 5 pieces. All right, let's open it up. See how it is. It says, what's up? Silent Naga. Silent Naga. Wow. Silent Naga. That's so cool. That's so great. Let's do it. Great. Awesome. I got 2 wings. Separate pieces. I got ones ready. Separate breaker. All right, here it is. All the pieces. I don't have the feet. Magnets, 2 horns. Look at this. That's so cool. Body. All the horns. Well, cool. And it's 2 horns. Finally got it. Wow. That's so cool. Alright, let's get to remove this. And let's do like it. Silent Naga. Let's do it. Now let's take all these. Look at that. Now I completed it up. Now we'll get any painting and then here for next week. Okay. I'll check remove. The changes is huge size. That's so cool. Amazing. Amazing. So cool. Alright. Now I completed. I will do painting for tomorrow, and I will upload it next week. Okay. Okay. So this is a silent Naga from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. Bakugan Battle Brawlers, cool. That's from Helgi one. That's fantastic. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video. Click it to watch the video game brawlers unboxing artist and Bakugan 2. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next week for the next part of Bakugan Battle Brawlers Bakugan Battle Brawlers. See you next week on from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. That's Bakugan from Silent Naga 3D print. Silent Naga 3D print. Cool. Bye and Bakugan Brawl.